I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling, I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me down. Don't let me down.
Yo, what you people saying? It's your boy Jerome, and as you can see by the title, we'll be tasting something, and as you saw at the beginning and from the title below, it's the Mint Oreos, B. The Mint Oreos. Oh yeah, I've never had them, so I thought, hey, let me do this video of me trying them for the first time, you know, because I've had obviously the original Oreos, and I've had the mint, not those ones, but the mint cream, when it's like a biscuit instead of, you know, but you know what I mean. I'll probably put a picture up somewhere. Yeah. I've had the birthday cake, and yeah, that's it. But yeah, so I saw those in the store. I was like, oh, I want to try those, and lo and behold, I bought them, and now we're about to try them, yo. So yeah, let's do this, yo. Okay, I got it. So difficult. I got it. Oh, look at that. The greenness. Oh. No. Oh. They smell delicious, bro. The minty smell. Let me put these down somewhere. Let me put these down there. Twist it. Oh. See, everyone does it and it's nice and hydrating. So anyway, look at the greenness, the minty. Okay. Alright guys, let's try this now. Mint Oreo. Yes. Yo, these right here, these Mint Oreos, Mint Creme Oreos, they are banging. Yo, these are delicious, bro. They're just, the mintiness is not, I like mint stuff, like mint chocolates and all that stuff. Mint chocolate and all that, not like mint chocolate, but yeah, you know what I mean, stuff like this, with mint cream. They're delicious, man. Oh man. Hey, I need, wait, hold on. Hold on. I want to do like everyone else. I'm gonna go get some milk and try it like that. Because normally I don't eat it with milk, but because this is different, we'll try it. So hold on. Yo guys, so I got my milk in my Venom mug. Noise. So how do you bite it and then drink? Or do you dip, bite, drink? Anyway, I don't know. Oh no, you twist the biscuit, you lick, you put it back and then you dunk it, and then you eat it. Okay. You twist it, smooth, lick it, what is this? Why do we, anyway, and you dunk it. Don't need the. Hold on. There's only one job, Drew. Come on, alright. Hold on. Let's do it this way. Okay. I see why. I see why you guys do with it. Some of you do it with milk. Hey, it made it taste. Hey. For the rest of this video, I'm probably gonna be eating this. But yeah, that was my video of the Oreo mint cream. Or the Oreo mint cream biscuits. Thumbs up from me, guys. Oreo company, whatever. That was delicious. In my store, I saw they had the birthday cake one, but I already had that. I've already tried that one, so I didn't bother buy that. I bought the mint one. But yeah, Oreo. If you wanna send a brother some Oreos, hit me out, you know. I'm kidding. But yeah, that was it really. My video for the Oreo mint cream test, whatever. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you've had the Oreo mint cream, did you like it, or do you have another flavour, another filling flavour that you like? Mine are obviously now these ones, the original Oreo. I like the double stuffed one as well. The mint ones, the other mint ones they have, where it's like chocolate covered on a biscuit. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, that. But the one I want to taste most is the white fudge. That one looks nice. And a red velvet one. But yeah, that was my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button below. Subscribe. Let me chew first, because a lot of people don't like that when you talk and chew. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's disrespectful. Yeah, subscribe if you like the video. If you that's messed up. Subscribe if you're new. Like the video, and share this with your homies and your homegirls. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
Started chasing bank rolls, I'm an addict now. If I don't want it all, then I'ma pass it down. On the phone they so aggressive, but they pass him down. If a nigga talking reckless, then he catching.